Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is another room tour at Wyndham Bonnet Creek, room 1384 of Tower 5. This is a 2-bedroom unit. As you walk in, you have your dining room on the right, as well as your kitchen. Then into your living room. Nice bar stools right here to have a couple extra people sitting at the counter. There's your closet. There's your linens for the sofa bed. As you see, when you come in the kitchen, you got a dishwasher there. And like I said, this is a 2-bedroom, so it's set up to sleep 8 people. So you'll have utensils and all for 8. And you have things like the coffee maker, blender, and you can also have, say you're making dinner there, and you want to make mashed potatoes, you can call down to housekeeping and they will bring you up a mixer or maybe some other bowls that you need. It's very convenient, especially if you're traveling with a large group and you need extra stuff to make dinner. They do have an ice maker here and it puts out a lot of ice. The thing was full when we left. You have a full laundry. Now they do give you detergent, but it's not very good. Here's your first bathroom. And then this is your first bedroom. Nice set of hangers. Little dresser for you. Here's the master bedroom. King size bed. It's got ceiling fan. Nightstands on both sides, along with this dresser. Closet has a safe. Has a luggage holder. Nice set of hangers. Then your master bath has a nice tub. They used to have jets, they took them out. Just a regular tub now. It's nice because when you and your wife are getting ready, you're not fighting over the sink. You have an extra sink here and one in the bathroom. Bathroom's pretty standard. Shower's pretty nice size. Now let's go take a look at the balcony. There are 2 nice chairs and a table. This day was very cloudy, so I went ahead and recorded some more footage. You'll see in just a second. So as you look out here, that triangle is the Swan and Dolphin Resort. Then you can see this Disney Skyliner going around. And then that's the Riviera Resort, Disney. There's Epcot. And then that blue building right there is the new Guardians of the Galaxy ride. And here's the show you get to watch every night from your balcony for the fireworks show. This is Epcot's. And if you watch when Magic Kingdom's doing theirs, you can see it a little further off in the distance. Hope this tour helps you out. And if you could, please subscribe to the channel. I'm always doing Wyndham resorts. And anytime I get a better firework view, I always record. So thanks for watching.